It's only 2 minutes left. It's time to move.
What happened?
Jason, you gotta quit. Like he deflected and he didn't. I don't think any of his teammates behind him and Malik Campbell got it.
Skyhawks will take over 1st and 10 with the ball spotted right at midfield.
How you tip it and tackle it? Oh, he was crunching on the leg like
The 25, John Chandler takes the handoff, breaks some tackles, carries down to the Chief 42-yard line.
2-minute one.
Number 1, G. Ross makes the stop. Gain of 8, 2nd down and 2.
The play is over.
Once again, it's number 25, John Chandler, who breaks tackles, carries people inside the Chief 25 down to the 24. Number 8, Justin Rawls makes the stop. 1st down, Skyhawks.
Oh, they got a big team too. Oh.
Go Birds!
Once again, John Chandler, the ball carrier. Number 46, Kelvin Azanama, and number 44, Stephen Roberts make the stop. Gain of a yard, 2nd down and 9. And the Skyhawks take a knee, and that will take us to the end of the ball game. And your final score this evening, LSU Birds 16, Monacan 14. Folks, thanks for coming out and supporting your teams. The JV game will be kicking off in a little over 20 minutes. Stick around for another good ball game. In the meantime, you can make a stop by the concession stand, grab something to eat or drink in between ball games. We'll be kicking off once again in a little over 20 minutes.